If you want to add a clean border in Photoshop, especially around a photo, product image, or design, this tutorial is going to make it super easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to create a border using layer styles, and I'll also show you the exact setting you need to keep the corners sharp and square. This is one of those small edits that can instantly make your image look more polished and professional. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and make sure your image is already on the canvas. Now look over to the Layers panel and select the photo layer you want to add the border to. This part is important because the border will only apply to the layer that is currently active. If your image is still locked as a background layer, you'll need to unlock it first. To do that, click the lock icon next to the layer name. Photoshop will convert it into a standard editable layer, usually called Layer 0. Once it's unlocked, you're ready to continue. Now, with the correct layer selected, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the FX icon. This opens the Layer Styles menu. From that list, choose Stroke. You can also double-click the empty space next to your layer name to open the Layer Style dialog box directly, then select Stroke from there. Either method works, so use whichever feels faster for you. Once the stroke settings appear, you'll see a few options that control how the border looks. The first one is Size. This is where you set the thickness of your border in pixels. If you want a thin, subtle outline, keep the size small. If you want a bold frame that really stands out, increase it more. Photoshop updates the preview as you adjust it, so you can see the result before applying it. Next, go to Position. This is the setting that matters most if you want a crisp border. Change the position, drop down to Inside. That keeps the border inside the edges of your image and helps the corners stay perfectly sharp and square. If you leave it set to center or outside, the border can look different around the edges, especially depending on your canvas shape. So for a clean, professional border, inside is usually the best choice. After that, click the color box. This opens the color picker, where you can choose any border color you want. You can go with classic white or black, use a color that matches your brand, or pick something more creative depending on your design. Once you've selected the color, click OK to confirm it. At this point, you can review the preview and make any final adjustments to the thickness or color if needed. If everything looks good, click OK again to apply the border to your image. And just like that, you've added a border in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. This method is great because it's non-destructive, which means you can always come back and edit the border later if you want to change the size or color. It's perfect for social media graphics, thumbnails, product photos, prints, and basically any image where you want a neat finishing touch. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.